You ready for this?
Yeah.
Hi guys, Steve here. Thanks for joining in again. I'm here with Emily. We're hanging out at our bushcraft camp. The kids want to have some popcorn, so we're going to attempt to make some popcorn on the actual campfire using my solo stove and my Expedition Research Bushcraft grill. Sorry. So say hi, Emily.
Hi.
Oh, come on, say it better than that.
Hello.
That's better, eh? Okay, so the first thing we got to do, we're going to put a little bit of, well, we're going to put the grill on here first. We're going to put a little bit of oil in the pot. You got to stay back here. You just want to put enough in to cover the bottom. So you can see that there, just enough to cover the bottom. And then you want to just put in enough kernels to cover the bottom as well. So you can see there, just enough kernels that cover the bottom. A little bit more. And we're going to put the lid on and put it on the fire. And you want to keep moving it around so that the kernels don't start to burn against the bottom. You got to stay back here, thanks. You can sit up on the bench if you want. Yeah. So we'll start hearing the kernels starting to sizzle a little bit. So you want to keep moving them around a bit. Take a little sip of your beer while you're doing that too. So it's going to take a few minutes, but you'll eventually start hearing them sizzle and then they'll start popping. You can hear them now starting to sizzle a little bit. Oh, you can see it starting to pop. Tristan, you can say hi if you want. No? You don't want to say hi? Camera shy today? Anyways, the kernels are starting to pop. The kids will get their popcorn shortly. You looking forward to your popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Probably it's just gonna rise at the top and it's just gonna pop open.
You hear it starting to pop, eh?
Yeah. It's really easy to hear if you're quiet. If you're really yelling, you won't be able to hear it as well. You might be able to slow it down.
Kernels are starting to pop. Pretty much done there. Give another second. You guys can see, we made some popcorn. Might be a little bit overdone, but still looks good. So it's an easy way to make popcorn on the campfire. Just need a little bit of oil, the kernels, and a little pot. Seems to work well. But anyways guys, thanks for tuning in for this video.